Did you know that corn is made from a fungus that grows in the UK and was discovered in the 1960s? Corn has become a household name, especially among those looking for meat alternatives. But is corn really good for you? That's what we're here to explore. Corn's story begins in the 1960s when it was first discovered in the UK. It's made from mycoprotein, a fungus that's fermented to create a protein-rich food. Over the years, corn has gained popularity, especially among vegans and vegetarians looking for a meat substitute. Corn boasts some impressive nutritional stats. It's high in protein, contains a decent amount of fiber, and is low in saturated fat. A 100-gram serving of corn contains about 10 grams of protein, which is comparable to other meat alternatives. It's also a good source of micronutrients like potassium and phosphorus. However, some critics argue that corn's high sodium content is a concern. A single serving can contain up to 600 milligrams of sodium, which is about 25% of the recommended daily intake. Additionally, corn contains a type of fiber called chitin, which can be difficult for some people to digest. Another potential downside is that corn is often highly processed. While it's made from a natural source, the fermentation and manufacturing process can involve additives and preservatives. Some versions of corn are also fortified with vitamins and minerals, which can be beneficial, but may also be a concern for those with specific dietary needs. It's also worth noting that the quality of corn's protein can vary depending on the specific product. Some products may contain a mix of mycoprotein and other protein sources, which can affect the overall nutritional profile. When it comes to corn's health claims, it's essential to take a balanced view. Corn can be a nutritious addition to a plant-based diet, providing a good source of protein and fiber. Compared to other protein sources like tofu or tempeh, corn holds its own in terms of nutritional content. However, it's not necessarily a superfood, and its health benefits can depend on individual circumstances. For example, those with specific dietary restrictions or preferences may find corn to be a suitable option. Some studies have investigated the potential health benefits of mycoprotein, including its effects on cholesterol levels and gut health. While the evidence is promising, more research is needed to fully understand corn's impact on human health. In conclusion, corn's health profile is complex and depends on various factors. While it can be a nutritious addition to a balanced diet, it's essential to consider individual needs and circumstances. If you've tried corn before, share your experiences with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos debunking food myths and exploring the world of nutrition.